As trails become more crowded and phones distract drivers on the road, riders are turning the pedals toward remote stretches of backcountry gravel. It's arguably safer, makes you a better rider, and is undeniably fun. There are many gravel bikes to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best gravel bikes from top brands. These products can help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Huffy Stone Mountain Bike. The Huffy Stone Mountain Hardtail Mountain Bike is a versatile and robust option for young men seeking adventure on 2 wheels. Its sturdy steel hardtail frame, finished in a sleek charcoal gray, provides a solid foundation for off-road excursions. One of the standout features is the 21-speed drivetrain, allowing riders to tackle various terrains with ease. The twist shifter enables smooth gear changes, adapting to both steep climbs and swift descents. The front suspension fork effectively absorbs shocks, ensuring a comfortable ride even on rough trails. Paired with all-terrain tires, this bike delivers excellent traction and stability across diverse landscapes. Safety is paramount, and the Huffy Stone Mountain doesn't disappoint. Equipped with front and rear alloy linear pull brakes, it offers reliable stopping power when needed. Number 2. Verbus Hybrid Bikes. The Verbus Hybrid Bike offers an impressive blend of comfort, functionality, and style for urban commuters and leisure riders alike. With its 700cc wheels and cushioned seat, this bike promises a smooth and enjoyable ride across various terrains. The inclusion of IPX4 front and rear lights enhances safety during low-light conditions, making it ideal for early morning or evening rides. One of the standout features is the 7-speed derailleur system, coupled with an easy-to-use thumb shifter. This combination ensures smooth and accurate gear changes, allowing riders to effortlessly adapt to different riding conditions. The dual-disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, even at high speeds, with durable aluminum alloy brake pads that perform well in all weather conditions. Durability is a key focus of the Verbus Hybrid Bike. Number 3. Avesta Uranus Road Hybrid Bike. The Avesta Uranus Road Hybrid Bike is a versatile and well-engineered cycling solution for urban commuters and enthusiasts. Its lightweight aluminum frame, available in 44cm and 50cm sizes, strikes an excellent balance between durability and ease of handling, making it ideal for navigating city streets and light trails. One of the standout features of this bike is its impressive Shimano 24-speed drivetrain. This finely tuned system allows riders to tackle a wide range of terrains with ease, from steep inclines to rapid descents. The smooth and responsive gear shifting ensures that riders can maintain optimal cadence and efficiency throughout their journey. Safety is paramount in the Uranus's design, evidenced by its dual aluminum disc brake system. These brakes offer superior stopping power and heat dissipation compared to traditional steel alternatives, ensuring reliable performance even in challenging weather conditions. Number 4. Max 4-Out Commuter Bike. The Max 4-Out Commuter Bike offers a compelling blend of durability, versatility, and ease of use for urban cyclists. Its robust aluminum alloy frame, complemented by a steel road fork, provides a stable and reliable ride while supporting riders up to an impressive 330 pounds. This combination of materials ensures longevity and performance, making it an excellent choice for daily commuters and recreational riders alike. Safety is a key feature of this bike, evidenced by its efficient dual-disc brake system. This setup delivers responsive and reliable stopping power, giving riders confidence in various traffic and weather conditions. The Max 4-Out's 14-speed gear system is a standout feature, allowing riders to quickly and easily adjust to diverse terrains with fingertip control. This versatility makes the bike equally adept at handling city streets and light trails, enhancing its value for those who enjoy varied riding experiences. Number 5. Highland Road Commuter Bike. The Highland Road Commuter Bike offers a compelling blend of durability, comfort, and performance for urban cyclists. Its Hawaii tin steel frame and fork provide a robust foundation, ensuring a comfortable and stable ride across various terrains. The double aluminum rims pair an excellent balance between efficiency and versatility, reducing resistance whether you're cruising on city streets or tackling light gravel paths. One of the standout features is the Shimano 14-speed shifter combo, integrated with the brake lever for seamless gear changes. This system, coupled with the double-wall aluminum rims, allows riders to easily adapt to changing terrains and inclines, enhancing the overall riding experience. Safety is paramount in the Highland's design, evidenced by its front and rear caliper brakes. These provide superior stopping power and precise speed control, instilling confidence in riders across various weather conditions and urban environments. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.